Hare Krishna. The great song praises the glories of Sri Hanumanji, one of the greatest devotee of Lord Sri Ramchandra. Ramaduta atulita baladhama Anjani putra pavan sutanama Mahavira Bikram Bajarangi Kumati Nivara Sumati ke Sangi. Atulita Baladhama, incomparable, unlimited power. His strength is beyond any comparison. So now I want to tell you one very wonderful pastime which depicts the enormous power of Sri Hanumanji. Once the Supreme Lord, Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna, he was there in Dwarika. In Dwarika he had 16,108 principal queens. Among them, Satyabhama ji, she was one of the most beautiful. And Satyabhama ji was having little proud in her heart. She was having some false ego that I am the most beautiful among all. And one day she was asking and she was insisting to Lord Sri Krishna to comment about her beauty, and she asked, was Sita as beautiful as I? And the Supreme Lord Sri Krishna, he did not reply, but he just smiled. And on the next day, the carrier of Lord Sri Krishna, Garuda, he was also having some false ego, some proud in his heart, and he said, who else is as fast as me in this world? I am the fastest carrier. That's why you are enjoying so much facility and you are always fast. And Lord Sri Krishna, he did not make any comment. He just smiled. And that day evening, another servant of Lord Sri Krishna, Sudarshan ji, you know Sudarshan disc. So he spoke. He told Lord Sri Krishna, see, I am so faithful to you. I am so powerful. I always accompany you. And I always help you to win the battles. I'd been always there with you. So in fact, in his heart of the heart, he was thinking, I am the cause of all the victories. How Sri Krishna is making all this, winning the battles because of me. And Lord Sri Krishna, he did not make any comment, he just smiled. But then subsequently, he told one of his faithful servant, Garuda, he called and he asked Garuda, please go to Hanumanji. Hanumanji is in Kiskinda Kshetra, and tell him that I am calling him. But then when he left, Lord Sri Krishna, he called Sudarshan ji and he asked Sudarshan ji to keep a watch at the doorstep and do not allow anyone to enter in this hall. And Sudarshan ji said, yes, it's very good, very nice, I will do that. Nobody will be allowed to come in and no one can enter. I will be guarding at the door. So the arrangements were made and Garuda ji, he left for Kiskinda and he found Lord Sri, on the order of Lord Sri Krishna, he came there and he found Hanumanji and he gave the message that Lord Sri Krishna is calling you. So Hanumanji, he was busy in some service and he said that, okay, I am doing some service and I will come there. Please tell the Lord I will be seeing him. And Garudaji insisted, no, please come and sit on my back. I will take you faster and you will be saved. Otherwise, how much time it will take for you to go there? And Hanumanji was little reluctant. He said, no, I will come. I will take my own time. Don't worry, you go. So Garudaji came back and he reported to Lord Sri Krishna that Hanumanji was not so keen to come, and he said he will come and see you as and when he gets some time. So this time Lord Sri Krishna said, okay, go back and this time tell Hanumanji that his Lord Sri Ramchandra ji is calling him. So Garuda ji said, okay. And then meanwhile Lord Sri Krishna, he changed his form. So now he changed his form to as Lord Sri Ramchandra. So he sat there on that Singhasana as Sri Ramchandra, and Garudaji left, and Garudaji approached Hanumanji and he gave again the message, and this time Hanumanji, he was reading Sri Ramayana. He was chanting Ramayana and he was very happy, very blissful, and he asked Garudaji, why did you come? So he said, Lord Ramchandra is calling you, your Supreme Lord. So Hanumanji said, okay, I will see him. So Garudaji again insisted, no, come and sit on my back, I will take you faster, otherwise it will take so long for you. Hanumanji said, no problem, you just go. So Garudaji left. So when he was about to enter in the palace of Lord Sri Krishna, he saw Hanumanji is coming out from that palace. He was very much surprised, he was bewildered, what is it? He came far ahead of me. And he came inside and he asked Lord Sri Krishna, who was in the form of Lord Sri Ramchandra, that when did Hanumanji came? And the Lord informed me, he came long back. And we had good discussion, now he is leaving, he left some time back. So Garudaji felt very bad. And his false ego that I am the fastest in the world was completely smashed. Now, when Hanumanji came before Lord Sri Krishna, Lord Sri Ramchandra, actually he was in the form of Lord Sri Ramchandra. So Lord Sri Ramchandra asked him, was there anyone at the step on the door to guard? And Hanumanji said, yes. So Lord Sri Ramchandra asked, who was there? What happened? He said, nothing. Then he took out from his mouth Sudarshan. And he kept Sudarshan there and said he was guarding. And Sudarshan, he was feeling very ashamed. He was feeling so much, all his false ego completely destroyed. And he became insignificant because Hanumanji kept him in his mouth as a small chocolate and took it out. So his false ego was completely smashed, that due to me you are winning. This is how our intelligence and our mind gets contaminated. Then after taking darshan of his beloved Lord Sri Ramchandra, Hanumanji, he looked at the Lord and then he asked a simple question before leaving. Oh Lord, I am so happy to have your darshan today. I am really blessed. But I don't understand today, instead of Mother Sita, which maid servant is sitting next to you? And by hearing the face of Mother Satyabhama was completely flushed and she felt very ashamed. Oh yes, I don't look at all as beautiful as Mother Sita, what she was thinking initially. So by one act, by one small pastime of Hanumanji, Lord Sri Krishna, he completely smeared the mountain-like false ego in the heart of Satyabhama, in the heart of Garuda, in the heart of Sudarshanji. All the three false ego were completely smashed to powder. And then now you can understand how great is Hanumanji. Therefore, it is said, Atulita Baladhama, without any comparison. Ramaduta Atulita Baladhama. He is the completely surrendered servant of Supreme Lord Sri Ramchandra, and he has unlimited power by which he always eager to serve the Supreme Lord in his best capacity. So Hanumanji is always chanting the divine and holy name of Lord Sri Ramchandra, and you must and we must also chant the divine Mahamantra Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Please like this channel, subscribe and share it, and please do see it regularly every day and get inspired, motivated, live a happy life. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.